Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 62. It's Saturday, which means it's time for a new Repping the Rep. This is Kathy Castor. She is Florida District 14, and she's been in office since 2007. And she did a fantastic explanation of the importance of the Department of Education at her last town hall. And yes, I know the picture is blurry. The video was a little blurry. Marcy Kaptur has started posting videos on social media. I think she ran into this constituent at the supermarket. His name is Dr. Bruce Montgomery, and he worked at the VA, and he shares his thoughts on Social Security. The video itself could use a little work, but the idea is so creative. Mike Quigley went on CNN to discuss Signalgate, and one of the things he talked about was the importance of the position that Tulsi Gabbard is in, and why her being in it is such an issue. 2 weeks ago, Mark Pocan interviewed Lino Khan for his podcast With Liberty and Justice for Some, but he just released a clip from that podcast today. Mike Levin has done another chalkboard video, this one about what DT and EM are doing to veterans in the VA and what we're doing to stop them. Juan Vargas posted this incredible video with this incredible tie, all about the destruction of Social Security. It's engaging and entertaining, and did I mention the tie? Pramila Jayapal spoke at a Tesla takedown, I think in Seattle today. Greg Kassar showed up at an empty chair town hall for Chip Roy. Standing cardboard cutouts are great, but being able to make one sit is even better. And finally, Maxwell Frost and Chris Murphy were in Michigan, in John James's district, and the room was completely at capacity. So as always, yes, our Dems are doing the work. If you see anyone say otherwise, no matter who they are, call them on it. If you made it to the end of this video, comment with a car emoji, because we support all cars that aren't Teslas. Our voice is our superpower, but only when we use it.